para kay Kabaglot. And here's Asi. Wala pa rin. Tapping ng bola and ends up with Lanete. Lanete tells everyone to move ahead. Lanete over to Simon on the right side. Peter Jun Simon against Buenafe. That's a great matchup. Raimundo back to Simon with 13 to shoot. Simon sends it over to Lanete. Lanete for three.
Tapos, but Raimundo was there.
Ay, naku, tuloy-tuloy shot clock dito.
Di bale.
So, Lanete, open shot! And finally makes it.
Ayun ang press. Dalawa lang, Raul. Dalawa lang. And this is now a 15-point lead.
Biggest lead of the ball game para sa Pure Foods as we near the halfway mark of the second period.
And this is happening with James Schaap.
Steal by Simon. And Peter Jones Simon will scoot in for two.
Alam mo, nagkawindang-windang na talaga itong depensa ng Coca-Cola Tigers dito. Ang daming, actually yung opensa ng Coca-Cola Tigers dito, ang daming steals ng Pure Foods eh.
Magmula nung iniwan ng Pure Foods ito ang Coca-Cola, in the waning moments of the opening quarter, ay hanggang ngayon hindi pa nakakabangon itong Coca-Cola Tigers.
Kumbaga, dun eh, naidlip ang Coca-Cola. Yung sa last 2 minutes
pa bumabangon.
Dumidilot yung matay.
Kapungay-pungay.
Kumbaga, itong unit ni Coach Ryan Igor, tumaas yung kumpiyansa dahil dun sa run na yun eh, no? That's 9-0 run.
9-0 run to end opening quarter sa nagdagdagan pa at the start of the second period.
Pati free throw shooting ni Alex Cabagnot soured up.
Kung tutusin, Pure Foods pa nga dito, ang hindi naman talaga kailangan manalo, in a sense.
In a sense, hindi urgent. Hindi urgent. Yung Coca-Cola urgent eh.
Just to, maybe help out our televiewers. Mahirap po kasi maiwan ka dun sa tinatawag na wild card phase. There's a reason why ang wild card na tawag wild. Because that's entering the wild. Parang kakubata niya, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Walang tutulong sa'yo dyan, kanya-kanya kayo. Hindi ka tulad pag pumasok ka sa semifinals, mayroon ka mahabang
ka na nga agad eh.
Buenafe.
Tumulak pa si Kirby doon. Pwede nang pagbigyan dahil 15 naman yung lamang eh.
So people always ask me, bakit ba, ano ba yung wild card phase? Sabi ko, ang wild card, iniiwan ko na dyan in the middle of the wild. Bahala ka.
Ano yun eh? Yung
survival of the fittest na yan.
Tama yun eh.
And even if you survive and join the other quarterfinalists, by the time you get, by the time you get, punit-punit na ang damit mo. Puro kalmot ka na at wala na.
Gula-gulanit ka na.
Gula-gulanit na ang iyong baro.
1 out of 3 from the free throw area itong si Cabagnot.
Here's Yap. James Yap. No go. Bingo. No boxing out whatsoever. Pure Foods is just scoring at will right now.
Si Mark Tingnas, pinabayaan mong gano'n na. Nakakatuwa pa sa Lino Romero Dukol ngayon. Makikita na nga natin, 23-9 sa rebound from Pure Foods dito. Out-rebounded itong Coca-Cola Tigers. Makapagpahinga yung starting unit ng Pure Foods. Ito, binlik na naman yung starting unit nila. Pero lang itong si Peter Jun Simon, dahil nagpapahinga si Kirby Raimundo.
James Yap has only 5 points in this game.
But that triggered the 9-0 run.
Oh, yung 5 straight points ni James Yap.
Yun eh. He may have scored only 5 points, pero bali-bali na yun eh.
Meantime, si Romela Dungol tawagan ng kanyang second personal foul. Although Pure Foods is comfortably ahead here, 40-24. Over 5 minutes remaining in the first half. Paano ba babangon ng Coca-Cola rito? Maybe Tolonia can help out.
Probably, ang realistic goal would be to whittle down this lead to maybe 6 points at the end of the first half. 8-9 single digit. At nakita ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, nandun na naman sa poses sa Asi. Tanggap, tira.
Masyadong madali.
Madali.
May time out po tayo. We'll be right back with more PBA action.
Mga teacher, pagka ikaw May kasalanan, pinaiiwan ka para mag-erase.
Right.
Papel ni Richard yun, kahit elementary pa siya eh.
Kabayan, Blacksboard at the half. Under 5 minutes to go in the second quarter.
No, maikli yung rotation ni Coach Ryan. Ang 8 players pala yung ginagamit niya. Coca-Cola, 11 na ang ipinasok nito si Coach Pinky. Ibig sabihin, seryoso talaga si Coach Ryan na manalo. Hindi niya ginagamit yung mga iba eh. Yung starting unit niya at saka yung mga ibang talagang maasahan yung ginawa. Hindi siya nag-eksperimento.
Not putting anything to chance in his ball game. Oh, Alex Abagnon with a basket at may kasama pang foul. Hindi naman basta-basta papaiwan itong Coca-Cola Tigers.
And this is the starting unit ng Coca-Cola Tigers din. Ito yung same unit na nakipagsabayan sa Pure Foods sa umpisa ng ating laro.
By the way, penalty na itong Pure Foods with over 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Hindi na kompleto na yung Kabagnot ang 3-point play. 12 puntos pa rin ang lamang dito ng Pure Foods, 40-28.
Lead was biggest at 17 points. 38-21.
Algeria, Pacotuti.
Kitang wala.
Here's Roger Yap once again. Handoff, Ingris. Kubitin. Delan. The basket here can trim the deficit to 10. Delan to Tolomnia with 17 to shoot. Another 4 minutes to play in the second quarter. And Durem, this is wide open for 3. Good look. Nice pass. Perfect pass para kay Peter Simon from Pingris.
Good lead pass. And Jun Simon has 10 points in the ball game coming off the bench. Silang dalawa ni John Dan Salvador talaga yung kumamada para sa Giants.
And you know, Simon has been the energy guy. Siya talaga nagpabuhay dito sa atake ng Pure Foods. The minute he entered the court as Kabagnot misses, and there's a putback from Mark Telat.
Mark Telat only 3 points in the ball game. And we're expecting ito. Wala is expecting a double-double performance from Mark Telat.
Look out, Simon for 3. Yes, sir.
Sinambala na yung Durembe sa tira ni Simon. Pumasok pa rin yun. 13 na para kay Peter Jun Simon.
Pistol Pete is on target here in the first half.
Third leading scorer ito ng Pure Foods behind James Shep and Kerby Raimundo.
Back to a 15-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Here's Tolomnia. Tolomnia on the move. Tolomnia drop pass nila. No go! One more try. Wala pa rin! And the ball is up to Roger Yap. Roger Yap on the move. Roger Yap nakanin kay James Yap. James Yap. Great thing. And he goes all the way for two.
And Pure Foods establishes a 17-point lead just like that. Sabi mo kanina, it should go down to 10 eh. Biglang 17 na naman. And I said kanina, dapat ang objective ng Cook eh, single digit na naman ang Pure Foods at half. Mahirap.
And so far, Kabagnot is the most bright spot here, especially in this quarter. He scored 6 points in this quarter for a total of 12. Pero 15 puntos pa rin. Kailangan na bulin ng Coca-Cola rito. Here's Kabagnot over the towel lap side. Duremdes, tinawid. Pinalik kay Asi, and he will miss. One more try, and he will miss anew. One more try, Talan. Talan will miss. And who gets the ball? Agawa! Pagsakan!
Aray, kumadaga na ni Asi Taula ba?
And they will help each other out. No problem. No hassle.
Pero mahirap kung halimbawa tayo na daganan ni Asi Taula ba? Makakabangan pa kaya tayo?
Hindi na palagi ko.
Kamoto. How precious is the ball?
Oh, tinitignan ko pa lang eh. Nakihina na ako.
Aray, buti na sa ko doon. Kaya niya yun eh.
Talan wins the jump ball. Here's Kabagnot. Kabagnot. What will he do with a basketball? With 17 to shoot, he goes to Talan. And that's a Mark Talan special.
Yun ang kanyang trademark eh, no?
Specialty of the house.
Banda.
Pareho sila ni Freddy Hubaldi.
Yun, pero yung una dyan, si Jenny Lucindo yun eh. Yun na inabot yun. Inabot ng tatay ko yun.
Pinasa mo pa sa tatay. Here's Roger Yap. Kick out pass. Simon fires. No go.
At dahil nasa penalty ng Pure Foods, si Telan na malamang titira ng 2 free throws.
That's going to be the third person